I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Trust Wallet with your wallet unlocked and app updated. This reduces errors. First, open the built-in D-app browser or the Moonpay widget integrated in the buy screen. Choose the crypto and amount. Make sure your payment method and billing address exactly match your card issuer. Moonpay verifies ID instantly. Once done, tap Continue to move to verification. This immediate step saves time and prevents failed transactions due to mismatched details. You'll now complete Moonpay's KYC flow because regulators require proof of identity for fiat to crypto. Follow prompts, upload ID, take a clear selfie, and fill the form. This is fast if your images are sharp. Next, double-check the crypto network and paste your Trust Wallet receive address to avoid cross-chain loss. Review Moonpay fees and the total charge. Once you approve payment, the processor may place a temporary authorization hold. This is normal and clears after settlement. Once payment completes, Moonpay will broadcast the transaction, and you should see the tokens in Trust Wallet after network confirmations. This timing depends on the chain. If you don't see funds within 30 minutes, get the transaction hash from Moonpay and check it in a block explorer to confirm status. Make sure to keep screenshots of confirmations and your KYC reference. If problems persist, contact Moonpay support with those details so they can trace the payment and resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.